Friends, today I am going to explain about how the spider lithium battery pack assembly gets started. First, we are opening the cell boxes, prismatic cell boxes. We are importing the cells from China, the brand called EVE, and here we have cell grading machine. Here we are monitoring the IR and voltage. Here every cell we are monitoring the internal resistance and voltages. For one pack for 51.2 volt pack, we are assembling with 16 cells. So we are grading 16 numbers of cells equal IR and equal voltage. In our assembly line, we have cell charging discharging machine. Yes, generally the cell manufacturers have this machine because after cell manufacturing, the cell has to calibrate and test full charge, full discharge, and again charge 30%. So here we have that machine for prismatic cells. We have 6 volt 100 amps machine. We have 6 volt 100 amps machine. Here 32 channels, 6 volt 100 amps 32 channels machine we have. It's we have 2 racks, one rack for this threaded bus bar we have so we can connect this rack with threaded bus bar. This rack, the cell flat head cells we can test with this rack. We have both the facilities. With flatted head cells also we can test, threaded bus bar also we can test. Both the things we have. We have 6 kilowatt laser welding machine. It's a 6 kilowatt machine for our if customer wants studded bus bar, yes, studded head, yes, we can weld that studded head. And if you some applications customers are asking for bus bar welding, total bus bar welding, yes, we can do that. All type of welding for lithium ion, yes, we can do here. Friends, now our colleague installing BMS in the box and fan. Yes, India, yes, we are using this cooling fan inside the box. We are using cooling fan. We are assembling this smart BMS. It is a low voltage system. We are assembling the box. Is connecting the cables, DC cables for BMS and cell connections. The pack assembly, we have to test entire pack into this pack testing machine or aging machine. This is a 60 volt 100 amps machine. Now we are testing this 51.2 volt 100 Ah battery. It is assembled, fully assembled. So we are testing now. So we have our own BMS software. We are monitoring here. We are charging 100% and we are discharging up to 0%. Then we are monitoring entire pack. What all are the voltage and IR difference, all the things. Now you see the IR difference will be only 6 difference will be 9 millivolt. So this is what you can understand. The quality of the cells and pack will be good A grade cells. Also this aging machine, we have software. This now currently this is a 4 channel machine. Here we have It's currently it is one channel is running, so you can monitor here the charging current 50 amps and the voltage will be 53.2. It's charging condition now. If after 1 hour automatically it will discharge. So we are testing all our battery packs with this machine. Without testing we are not deliver the material to our customers. 100% after testing only we are supplying the product to our customers. Welcome to Spider product showroom. Yes, here I am going to explain about, this is the cells what we have: 50 Ah, 100 Ah, 105 Ah and 280 Ah cells we have. We have BMS, we have active balancer, all the products here we have. So next the products, we have 15 kilowatt stack mount low voltage system. It is a 15 kilowatt. Technically it is a 51.2 volt into 280 Ah, 14.7 kilowatt. This is one pack. You can parallel up to 32 numbers. This pack you can parallel up to 32 numbers. This is one model stack mount. This again it is a rack mount. It is a 5 kilowatt packs. 5 kilowatt. You can parallel up to 32 numbers. This is also low voltage, 51.2 volt into 100 Ah. The same model we can do for the rack mount 280 Ah also. The 14.7 kilowatt also we can do rack mount. We can customize. And this one will be high voltage system. This is a high voltage because we have two different type of hybrid inverters. One will be low voltage, another one will be high voltage. This is a high voltage inverters you can connect. This is again 15 kilowatt system. It is an 150 volt. 150 volt into 100 Ah system. It's a 15 kilowatt system. And this one will be 5 kilowatt wall mount system. 5 kilowatt wall mount. It means 51.2 volt into 100 Ah. It's a 5 kilowatt wall mount system. This one will be 25.6 volt into 100 Ah. It is again it is a 2.5 kilowatt, 2500 watts, 2.5 kilowatt system. All our cells are 1C discharge cells. What cells we are giving? 1C discharge cells. So the 5 kilowatt pack you can discharge up to 5000 watts. Up to 5000 watts you can discharge. Thank you.